Ashley Murray here, the team leader of the Agents of Your Dreams real estate team from Honolulu, Hawaii. I wanted to go ahead and share multiple ways that you guys can use your home equity. You guys can make it work for you, or you guys can let it save you some money each month. So these are some ways and tactics that the rich are using to be able to lower their expenses or up their cash flow. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to talk about is using your home value for refinancing. If you already have had your home and been paying down on it for however long you've been paying on it, and you do feel like you have a chunk of appreciation, go ahead and just get an appraisal if that's what's needed, or talk to your real estate agent and get a home valuation. What you can do is then bring that to the bank, and depending on the program, if they require the appraisal or if they're okay with just using the home valuation, depending on their limits, then you're able to go ahead and say, hey, you know what? I'm going to pay this down on my principal. Let me lower my monthly mortgage. So something to think about. Another really great thing to do is that if you do know or you believe that you have at least 20% of your home's value inside of your home already, then just go ahead and check with your lender and see if you can get your mortgage insurance taken off if you are getting charged mortgage insurance each month. A lot of times, they won't tell you. You have to let them know, hey, I think it's the time for me to kick this off of my bill. So in an instance for myself, after kicking the mortgage insurance off, saves me $700 a month in my monthly mortgage. That's a huge saving. So if some of you guys, think that you have 20% in at least, don't sleep on that savings. That's a fee you guys don't have to pay anymore. It's only for people who have less than 20% value inside of their home. Another really great way that you can provide cash flow and have your money work for you is by using your home equity line of credit to put down cash for another investment. So now you only, instead of a mortgage payment, what you're paying is you're paying for the HELOC each month, the right to use your own equity. So I'm using Bank of Hawaii, a local bank here. Their introductory rate right now is 3.4% for 2 years. What that translates to in this example, if I have an $800,000 home, and then the remaining home balance for my mortgage is still $500,000 left. So that's a $300,000 deficit. So this $300, I guess not deficit, but gap, is actually what is my equity. So the bank's going to give me 95% of that value. So 95% of $300,000 is $285,000. I can put that down cash for an investment, and then say that I rent it out for $1,600. Well, Bank of Hawaii is going to charge me $808.15 a month to use my HELOC, and so now I'm going to cash flow almost $800 a month. So if you guys have home equity and you're not either reducing your mortgage, refinancing, and seeing if you can maybe pay less out per month and reduce your expenses, at least look and see if you guys can cash flow using what you already have. You may be sitting on the tools for your wealth creation already. If you don't know, now you know. So reach out anywhere in the United States, and my team and I are able to give you a home valuation. If you're just curious, absolutely for free. So DM me, text me, email me, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll share more ways to add value and free offers that we only give to our watchers. So thank you guys so much. Aloha.